can't find what you're looking for? I can help you with that. Tell me how important it is to have your own house. But first of all, imagine enjoying a small and cozy house near to the city in a nice neighborhood. Also, imagine your loved ones living secure, enjoying with friends, enjoying the nice and cool schools that we have around. This is very nice. They will feel very secure and very happy with this. More than that, if you like pets, we have enough space and you can get maybe a dog or a cat, anything, or a rabbit, I don't know, any pet that you like. And more than that, if you like gardening like me, because I love it, you are able to have a lot of flowers, plants, even bushes if you want, because of the space. So think about that, it's very nice. And I also like you to do the math and think how much you pay every year for the rent. And also we have this possible that you can afford your house by the bank. So you will be paying almost the same amount of money every month, but in the few years your house will be yours. This is a very good deal that we have. And I want to talk a little bit about my experience having my own house. I just letting you know that I worked very hard for many years, and when I bought my house, I couldn't believe it. It was a very big emotion. I almost cried. It was like something amazing. I made a lot of celebrations in my house, like birthday parties, baptisms. I also did something very nice. Was my baby shower. When we already have our house, my little one he was born when I already have my house. Now he's 1 year old and he enjoys a lot. He plays in the backyard a lot. He plays with my dog. That's amazing. And in the future, of course, I will receive my grandchildren in my house. All of these memories will be in my heart with my house. That's all I can say about my experience. So don't think too much. Don't wait for something special, for something happen. Just make your decision and this house can be yours. Goodbye.